Hello everybody, it's me, Sherry D, and I would love to share with you my rendition of a heavy metal detox smoothie made with wild blueberries, conventional blueberries, banana, and some other ingredients that I'll introduce you to as we build. So, heavy metal detox smoothies are very good for our immune system and just cleansing out heavy metals out of our brain, which can cause inflammation, brain fog, you name it. So here's a way to actually regain our memory. All right. I like to start with some nice cold filtered water. You can use ice if you want, but I think it's just a little too thick in a consistency for me, so I like to go with a little more liquidy. So this here is 1 cup of water, 1 banana, and did you know that it's easier to peel a banana from this end? You just simply squeeze and then peel. That way you're not breaking and squishing the banana this way. You just squeeze and peel. So I like to put 1 banana in. I usually break it so it can blend easier. I like to use 1/2 cup of cilantro. It's been washed, so it's just, a nice little handful. Cilantro helps remove heavy metals from the body. And then we have our blueberries. I like to use wild blueberries that are found at Trader Joe's. Those are organic wild blueberries. I use 1.5 cups of wild blueberries, and you'll notice that they're very small. Look at how small that is, versus the conventional blueberry is very big. See that? The little one versus the big one. The big one is sweeter, but the little one is packed more full of antioxidant properties and whatnot. So remember, we are what we eat. So the ancient, what's it called? It's called wild. The wild blueberries are the more nutritious one. So we pour those in. So it's 1.5 cups of wild and 1/2 cup of conventional. You don't have to, it just gives a little more sweetness. This is where the magic starts to happen. Hawaiian spirulina. This is a seaweed. It helps remove heavy metals. It helps rebuild nerve tissues. It helps the body detox, and so putting spirulina can boost your red blood cells and their capacity to transport oxygen. So more oxygens means a more efficient body to detox. So that is spirulina. That is found at Amazon. And you want to keep it dry in a nice dry, dark spot. Then we have barley grass, which can also be found on Amazon. The benefits of barley grass are it's naturally high in many key nutrients. It's got vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, and enzymes. And I only use about 1 teaspoon of each of these dry ingredients. So remember, barley grass, that helps repair the central nervous system as well. It's high in vitamin C, and it helps fight off infections, bacterial and viral. Last off, we have dulce, which is another seaweed. I like to put it in a glass jar, but it comes like this. I do like the flakes. You can buy them in either flake or leaf. I find the flakes to last longer than the leaves. And so again, I just take about 1 teaspoon and dump it in. All right, it looks like we are ready to blend. Now I am using a Vitamix, which is pretty high power, and I apologize for the noise, but I do like to blend it long enough to where it like dances on the top, very liquidy and not just spirals really thick. So you'll see. So here we go. Hang tight. go. See how it got all splashy? That is when you know it's super delicious to drink. So I get my nice glass cup, pour, and you'll notice it's real liquidy right now, but if you let this sit for 15 or 20 minutes, it's gonna really thicken up. And you'll see I still have more in here. So I drink this and then I go back for more. I like to drink this in my bathtub. It's great with a straw. So there it is. Heavy metal detox smoothie. Help repair your central nervous system. Remove heavy metals from the body. Because remember, heavy metals in the brain collect yeast and fungus. Therefore, it can cause inflammation, brain fog, Alzheimer's, dementia. Keep the body clean. Detox. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Bye.